Merhaba, food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the heart of Turkish culinary tradition with a timeless ingredient that holds the essence of the Mediterranean diet, bulgur. Join us in the kitchen as we explore the art of crafting delicious Turkish bulgur recipes, each bite bursting with flavor and heritage. Let's embark on a flavorful journey and uncover the secrets of this versatile grain. Ingredients for Turkish bulgur pilaf. 1 cup coarse bulgur, 1.5 cups hot water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, diced, 1 teaspoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon red pepper paste, optional, salt to taste, 1.5 cups hot vegetable or chicken broth. Instructions for preparing bulgur pilaf. Rinse coarse bulgur under cold water and drain. In a pan, sauté chopped onions in olive oil until golden. Add diced tomatoes, tomato paste, red pepper paste if using, and salt. Cook for a few minutes. Add coarse bulgur and hot water, stir well, and pour in hot vegetable or chicken broth. Cover and let it simmer until the bulgur is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Ingredients for Kısır, Turkish bulgur salad. 1 cup fine bulgur, 1.5 cups hot water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon pomegranate molasses, optional, salt and pepper to taste, fresh herbs, parsley, mint, and green onions, finely chopped, vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, finely chopped. Instructions for making Kısır, Turkish bulgur salad. Rinse fine bulgur under cold water and drain. In a bowl, mix fine bulgur with hot water, olive oil, tomato paste, lemon juice, pomegranate molasses if using, salt and pepper. Let it rest until the bulgur absorbs the liquid. Add finely chopped fresh herbs and vegetables. Mix well. Serving suggestions: serve Turkish bulgur pilaf as a side dish or a main course. Enjoy Kısır as a refreshing salad, or wrap it in lettuce leaves for a light meal. Voila, you've just discovered the secrets of crafting Turkish bulgur delights, each recipe a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Turkey. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Afiyet olsun, bon appétit!